Okay, so now we're going to decide if triangles, if they give you the side lengths, are these triangles acute triangles, obtuse triangles, or right triangles? That's what we're going to practice now. So first thing you got to know is that after you label your A and your B and your C sides, okay, let's write this. Let's write this up here. Okay, if A squared plus B squared turns out to equal C squared, that's, why won't it work? That's a right triangle, okay? But if A squared plus B squared ends up being smaller than C squared, then that's an obtuse triangle. And then if A squared plus B squared is bigger than C squared, then that's an acute triangle. Okay? So tell if these could be side lengths of a triangle, and then if so, tell whether it's acute, obtuse, or right. So we got 3 separate math problems here. Okay? So first remember, in order to even be a triangle, the two short sides have to add up to be bigger than the third side. So 10 plus 12 equals 22, and that's bigger than the 15, so yes, it's a triangle. Okay, so then we gotta decide, so that was just saying if it can be a triangle. So yes, this is a triangle. Now let's decide if they're gonna be acute, obtuse, or right. So you've got your sides. 10, 12, and 15. The longest one is the C, and then the other two are the A and B. So the 15 is the longest, that's your C, and then the other ones are A and B. Okay, so 10 squared plus 12 squared, that's 100, plus 144, that's 244. Okay, and then the C squared equals 15 squared equals 225. Okay. So in this case, the 225 is smaller than the 244. So in other words, the C squared was smaller than the A squared plus B squared. So when the C squared is the smaller one, that makes this be an acute triangle. Okay? Now let's do it on this one. Can this be a triangle? Okay, so we look at the two shortest sides. 8 plus 13, what is that? That is 21. 21 smaller than the third side, 23. So no, this is not a triangle. So we can't even finish this math problem because it's not even a triangle. Because the two sides added up to be smaller than the third side. Good, that was an easy problem. Okay, on 24, you look at the two shortest sides, 9 plus 14, that equals 23. 23 is bigger than the third side, it's bigger than the 17. So yes, it's a triangle. Okay, so then we just got to decide what kind of triangle. So our sides are 9, 14, and 17. So the long one, that's your C. The other ones are your A and B. Okay, so A squared plus B squared, that's 9 squared plus 14 squared equals 81 plus, what's 14 squared? Wait, what? 196. And that equals 277. Okay? And then the C square, that's 17 squared equals 289. Okay, so this time 289 is bigger than 277. The c square is bigger than the a square plus b square. So since the c square is bigger, that makes this be an obtuse triangle.